Selling your house as is can save you time, stress, and repair costs, but it can also cost you thousands if you're not careful. I'm Kristen with Driven2 Solutions, and in this video, I'll share the biggest mistakes people make in an as-is sale and exactly how to avoid them, so you keep your money in your pocket. We're talking scams, lowball offers, hidden fees, and how to make sure your deal is fair. So let's jump in. Mistake number 1, taking the first offer without shopping around. The number one mistake I see is sellers jumping on the first cash offer they get. And here's the problem. Without comparing multiple offers, you have no way of knowing if that's the best deal. Some buyers will intentionally offer low, hoping you're in a hurry. How to avoid it? Always get at least 2 to 3 offers, even if you're in a rush. Taking one extra day to compare can mean thousands more in your pocket. At Driven2 Solutions, we sometimes bring multiple buyers to the table for you, so you can choose the best fit. Mistake number 2, and here's the big one: ignoring the true value of the property. Another big way people lose money is by underestimating their home's as-is value. Even if your home needs work, land value, location, and potential can still make it worth more than you think. So how to avoid it? Do a quick market check. See what similar homes in your area are selling for, even in poor condition. A reputable buyer will be transparent about how they came up with their offer, and you should feel free to ask for proof. Mistake number 3, falling for no-fee gimmicks. Some buyers promise no commissions, but then sneak in higher closing costs, processing fees, or repair credits after the inspection. Now, how to avoid that? Ask for a written offer that clearly spells out what you'll net after all costs. At Driven2 Solutions, we give sellers a full breakdown so there are no surprises at closing. Mistake number 4, not knowing who you're selling to. In the as-is world, not all buyers are equal. Some are experienced and close on time. Others might back out at the last minute, leaving you starting over. So how to avoid it? Check reviews, ask for references, and make sure your buyer actually has funds ready. A serious buyer won't mind. Mistake number 5, skipping simple presentation steps. Just because you're selling as is doesn't mean presentation doesn't matter. A quick cleanup, removing clutter, or mowing the lawn can help buyers see potential and be willing to pay more. So how to avoid it? Spend a day on small, inexpensive improvements. It's not about making the house perfect, just making it look cared for. Here's my quick checklist to avoid losing money in an as-is sale. Get multiple offers. Understand your home's true as-is value. Read the fine print on fees. Verify your buyer's credibility. And do small, low-cost cleanups. If you follow these steps, then I'm sure that you will be able to be in a much stronger position and walk away with more money. Selling as is doesn't have to mean selling for less. If you want a fair, fast, and transparent offer with no surprises, reach out to Driven2 Solutions. We'll be sure to take care of you. I'm Kristen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye, YouTube.